Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? T power t equals t power 3. Now, the first solution is very obvious. T equals 3. Because we have a to the power of a equals a to the power of c. Since you have a and a here, that means a equals c. This and this can be equated to each other. So, right now, I can take this as one of the solutions, but there are other solutions to this. So, to get the other solutions and make use of natural log of natural log of t to the power of t equals natural log of t to the power of 3. Now, if you have natural log of a to the power of p, this equals p times natural log of a. So, right now, the t here will come behind this, and 3 here will come behind this. So, right now, I will have t times natural log of t equals 3 times natural log of t. Now, I can decide to multiply this out. This is t times ln t equals 3 times ln t. I can decide to divide this by ln t and divide this by ln t. ln t divides ln t divides ln t, that is t equals 3. This is the exact solution we had earlier on, right? So, to get the other solutions using this same equation, I multiply this, that is t times ln t equals 3 times ln t. I move this over here. Our t times ln t minus 3 times ln t equals 0. ln t, I can factor that out. I have ln t times this divides ln t. I have t minus this divides ln t. I have 3 and this equals 0. So from here, I can equate each of these to 0. I have ln t equals 0. I have t minus 3 equals 0. Now I can solve for t in this one or this one. To start with this one here, if t minus 3 equals 0, t equals 3. By simply moving this over here. And for this, if I take the e, I have e power ln t equals b power 0. E eliminate ln, I have t equals e power 0. And e to the power of 0 is 1, so t equals 1. Now we have gotten two different solutions. It is t equals 1 and t equals 3. Those are the two different solutions. Now let's consider this method again. You have t power 3 equals t power t. I can divide this by t power 3. Divide this by t power 3. Let's cancel this. I have t power t divided by t power 3 equals 1. Now, if you have a power x divided by a power y, this equals a power x minus y. T3, this is t power t minus 3 equals 1. Now, if I take the natural log of t power t minus 3 equals natural log of 1. Remember, natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a. So t minus 3 times natural log of t equals natural log of 1. And right here, I have t minus 3 times natural log of t equals natural log of 1 is 0. So I have t minus 3 equals 0. and ln of t equals 0. To solve these individual equations, I move this over here. I have t equals 3. Is my t1, and for this, I can solve for t. I have e power ln t equals e power 0. E can cancel ln and t equals e power 0. And from here, I have t equals e power 0 is 1. We still end up having the two solutions. So guys, at the end, we have succeeded to have two different solutions. We have t equals 3 and t equals 1. Now, if you have t power t equals t power 3, we can start by inserting each of these values for t. When t equals 3, I'll have 3 to the power of 3 equals 3 to the power of 3. And 3 to the power of 3 is 27, equal this is 27. And let's also check when t equals 1. Yeah, we need to have t power t equals t power 3. So this will be 1 power 1 equals 1 power 3. And 1 to the power of 1 is 1 equals 1 to the power of 3 is 1. If I 1 to the power of any number is 1. So the two solutions have proven to be correct, guys. So any method you want to use is fine. You can decide to take the natural log. You have the two answers, or you can decide to divide by t power 3 and forget the two answers. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.